Did you lose your WhatsApp messages and worry that they're gone forever? Don't panic. Today, I'll show you 3 proven ways to restore WhatsApp from iCloud or directly with iCareFone transfer safely, quickly, and without losing your data. Method 1. Restore via official iCloud backup. First, open WhatsApp settings, Chats Chat Backup, and tap Backup Now to make sure your latest chats are in iCloud. Then, uninstall WhatsApp from your iPhone. It won't affect apps or data outside WhatsApp. Next, reinstall WhatsApp from the App Store. Verify your phone number and same Apple ID. Finally, when prompted, tap Restore Chat History to download your chats from iCloud. Make sure you have enough storage, are on Wi-Fi, and using the same number and iCloud account. If that worked, you're all set. If not, don't worry, keep going. Let's try iCareFone next. Method 2. Restore using iCareFone transfer from device backup. iCareFone transfer is a professional WhatsApp management tool from tenorshare. It's designed specifically to backup, transfer, and restore WhatsApp chats between devices without relying on iCloud. Unlike the default method, it is very convenient and optional. iCareFone transfer for WhatsApp allows you to back up WhatsApp chats from your iPhone directly to your computer with no iCloud storage limit and restore later. First, install iCareFone transfer on your PC or Mac. Then, connect your iPhone with a USB cable. Select from device to back up your WhatsApp data. After the data backup is complete, select Restore for iOS. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts and complete the WhatsApp setup to retrieve your chats. Perfect when iCloud backup is unavailable or limited. Method 3. Restore with iCareFone transfer from iCloud backup. If your WhatsApp data is already stored in iCloud, but the app won't restore properly, iCareFone transfer offers another option: restore directly from an iCloud backup. First, open iCareFone transfer and select Restore from iCloud backup. Then, log in with your Apple ID. Next, select the WhatsApp backup from the list and download it. After completing these steps, your data will be backed up from iCloud to your computer. Finally, select Restore to device to transfer your chats directly to WhatsApp. A powerful solution when WhatsApp can't restore via its own interface without data loss. Which method worked best for you? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others. Thank you for watching. See you next video.